Hiram. 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 Hey. Are you too distracted to look at me? Those kids at the back. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? This is how Hiram crawls in the playground because he doesn't like his knees touching the thing. Watch him crawl. It's really funny. Go get him, Hiram. Go, Hiram. Boo.